This is a test of 5.1 channel surround sound audio using my Sony DCR-SR100 Handycam from 2006, which is only standard definition, but it has a built-in 4-channel microphone and Dolby Digital processing, which converts that to 5.1 channels. And when I tried doing this back in 2013, it didn't work. YouTube just downconverted it to 2-channel sound. But recently I learned that supposedly on some devices like smart TVs, YouTube does now support 5.1 channel surround sound. So I'm redoing this test today in 2024, over a decade later, to see if it works now. So I don't have any way to edit surround sound audio, so this is just going to be a direct upload from the file that the camcorder recorded. So right now I have this ticking clock right in front of the camcorder. Now it's over to the left side. Now it's the left rear of the camcorder. Now the right rear of the camcorder. Directly to the right of the camcorder. The right front of the camcorder. And the left front of the camcorder. So maybe someone with the appropriate equipment can tell me if this is giving them anything close to true surround sound audio in 2024. So we'll see if this works.